Oh, wow. Beautiful. It's really hypnotic. Oh, no. Became totally gray. Oh, boy. This is going to be my favorite activity. Oh, no. I tore it. I love it. That's pretty good, actually. You see how interesting? Hello and welcome. Today we are going to try Suminagashi, floating ink, paper marbling. I have all kinds of paper, ink, some water, and dish soap, alcohol, oil, and paper, coffee filters, tea bag paper, and Japanese rice paper. First, I'm pouring some water. 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch depth is enough. It's one brush. That will be second brush. Pour approximately a tablespoon of ink. One jar is going to be with the water that will have 1 drop of dish soap. Is it really enough? I'm gonna add 2 drops. We'll see. So, and now I'm going to put just 1 drop of soap in the sink. Ink on the right, water on the left. Is it gonna float? Dipping my brushes. I am going to touch the surface with this brush and touch the surface. Wow, it does. Okay, so touching is supposed to be extremely gentle. I kind of like something like this. I have no idea what I'm doing, but that's the whole fun of it. Okay. Okay, it looks like it floats, you know? Wow. This is amazing. Yep. Look at this. This is pretty cool. Doesn't it look cool? Wow. Alright. It's hard to stop once you start. Okay. I think this is good enough because this is kind of said good enough and started doing more. Alright. This is beautiful. Now I'm going to try this paper. This is the rice paper. Touch it. Wow. And then take it up. Wow. This is a first try and it's great. I like it very much. Yeah. Okay. I put it on this tray. Oh! Yeah, now that paper is wet, it's easy to break. This is lovely. Good first try. I'm so happy with that. Do the second one. A piece of tissue paper. So you can clean up the surface. Since I already tried the rice paper, now I'm going to try the tea bag paper. So I'm going to do one touch, another touch. Those little droplets, look at that. I wonder if they will show up. Yeah, I would like it to be a little more black because they seem to be just too gray. Okay, what else I want to try with this is the alcohol. Should use another brush. I will use this little brush. I don't know why it's red, but it's completely new. I'm going to try dip it in alcohol and let's see the effect that it creates. It's supposed to be something interesting. Oh, wow. Look at this. Wow, that's very, very cool. You see what's happening with the alcohol? This is fascinating. It's really hypnotic. So not just touch, but touch and wait until it creates this wavy disturbance, if that's a good word for this. Beautiful. Lovely. Okay. So this is what alcohol is doing. How about the oil? Some people add oil. I don't know how to open that oil. Sometimes I cannot open a bottle. I have some essential oils. Let's see if this will work. I would just put 1 drop and see what will happen. Wow, really? The oil just like dispersed everything? This is completely different behavior because the surface is oily now, and this creates a completely new pattern. Mesmerizing. I love this. Maybe it's because of the essential oil? I don't know. Next time I will try some other oil. I am going to collect this with tea bag paper. Okay? Is that? Oh no! It became totally gray. Oh boy, that's not good at all. With all that fun, and look what happened. It completely dispersed into whatever it is, which, this can be useful as well. It can be useful for some other collages. Oh yeah, that's gonna be something new. Okay. So, will I be able to do anything with this mess? Oh, what should I try? Well, I have this toned paper. Will that absorb anything interesting? Oh, that's not bad. That's kind of interesting. You see? That's the floating ink. That's actually quite beautiful. Unpredictability is the most exciting part of all this. I love it. It's really meditative. Let's go back to the alcohol. Let's see what will happen. It agitates it in a spectacular way. And then I can use a toothpick and direct. Oh yes. Wow. My goodness. And all this time I was waiting to try it. Oh gosh, this is going to be my favorite activity. I'll be so looking forward to, but you have to be, yeah, I never finish my sentences when I'm very excited. I just keep talking. Whew. Wow. And I know the problem is that the ink that sunk creates that background that is hard to understand what's happening. But this is so beautiful that I am going to use rice paper again. This is, you will see, it's going to be beautiful. It's got to be beautiful. Yes. Take it out. Yes. This is absolutely stunning. You have to know how to handle it. Oh no, I tore it. You see? Oh no. Such a beautiful, beautiful thing, but it's okay. It's okay. I am going to wash all this mess and we'll fill it with fresh water and we'll continue experimenting here, okay? So I washed this, I prepared it, all clean, nice. Now, what I want to try, I'm going to put a little bit, tiny bit of ink. Okay. This is Kuretake ink, probably a little less than a teaspoon. And I'm going to put just a tiny drop of dish soap in it. That's it. So, tiny drop of dish soap to help it float. We still have this black one here. And another one what I want to prepare is I want to test this acrylic fluid, or it's this way maybe. I'm gonna put a drop of soap also right in it. Okay. well prepared. Shake it well so it gets some soapy substance to float. Pouring approximately quarter-inch of water. Boom, boom, water, black and water, black, water, black, water. And now little droplets of black when it floats. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's just keeps getting better on its own. It seems like the design is playing with you. Okay. Can we try to put some red? Will it work or not? Let's see, because I heard that red could be a little troublesome. Let's see. Will it work? It looks like it's floating. Okay. Wow, look how beautiful this is. Let's do the water. Now I am going to try to do the alcohol again. Look at this. What do you think of this? And the longer you hold it, the more complex the design. Very good. So you basically just direct that movement and it becomes continuation of just initiated movement. Can be anything more interesting than this. I'm not sure I like this thing. Now it's perfect. We are going to put this on this just regular paper, like print paper, but it's ivory paper. Okay. Let's see how that goes. That looks pretty good. So even if you add more and more, it's still kind of gray, you know? So that's not adding darkness to it. Black and water, black and water. I will try to put this acrylic ink. See if it will float. It's quite interesting. Oopsie. Not accidental beauty. Yep. Yeah. Okay. So it seems to be floating. We'll see how it will be picked with paper. Try to add more of the black, the alcohol. Play with this. Yep. Wow, look at this. How beautiful. Amazing. So when you put it in an area where it's kind of empty, it pulls in other ink. You see how interesting? Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Should I stop here? Or should I keep going? Oops. And now I ruined everything. I hope this is useful to watch for those who want to explore this medium. I hope it's useful to see what's happening here. At this point, it's hard for me to judge what's going on because the underlying ink, a little bit of this, oopsie, I didn't mean to put, okay, oh well. Wow, that's actually quite interesting. Yeah. See, accidents are the best. And now I will shake this. When you just splash it, you never know what will happen. You can also splash some water just by a toothbrush. So this soapy water. I don't think it added. Oh boy, did it ruin everything? Or it's still okay? Let's just pick it up. Let's just pick it up. And this time I'm gonna be very fast with the tea bag paper. Will I be able to pick it up? Very quickly? No. Okay, tea bag paper does not make good design. And that was such a great potential, wasn't it? And what happened? I'm going to use this paper and see what it will pick up. Will it pick up anything interesting? Oh wow, it did. That's quite a marbling. Nice. It's very muted. I wish it was a little brighter. Alright, now I am going to try to make a little bit more minimalistic design. See how that goes. It's hard to hold myself from not adding more and more, but I will do my best. And we will try coffee filters this time. I really like that. Okay, and see if I can add this blue. Is that even possible? Okay. Oh, it took over. Well, oopsie. Water and orange. So something is different when I use this acrylic ink. Okay, now it's accident. And now I'm adding more of the accidental drops, which is obviously intentional at this point. Let me see how that black will do right in it. What do you think of this? Now I'm going to try to use alcohol right on the edge. And then some accidental black. And then alcohol touch. Maybe direct with the toothpick. And this time I will try white paper. I think it's sketch paper. I'm going to drop it and pick it up. Oh, and it's smudged. I won't say I hate it, but I don't love it. But it's still very interesting. I'm still curious to see how the coffee filters will react with this. So I'll just make something. I really like these drops. Even though they're mostly sinking to the bottom, but there is some design happening on top as well. So, and now when I move this here, this is so much fun. Okay, I know it looks like a mess, especially with the orange background, but there is no orange left on the surface. You see, that's the interesting part. So let's put the coffee filter in and pick it up and just take. Here it is. Look how lovely it is. Looks pretty good actually. Okay. So there's still lots of marbling right here. Will this coffee filter pick up something? Definitely. That's very nice. I like that. I just want to see that possibility to have any blue. I'm going to just splash it. And I'm going to pick it up very quickly. Wow. This is lots of blue, just like I wanted. It's actually not so bad. It is an interesting possibility for collages.